All right, guys. Steve suggested I do a quick video just kind of going over what Owings Market Analysis is. For those of you who stopped by the stream, maybe you're a little bit confused. You see my charts here to the left, and it may look a little confusing to you because you've never seen any charts like this. So I wanted to do just a 5-minute video here to kind of explain the very basics of what Owings Market Analysis is, and you'll start to get a sense of how to take advantage of my plays that I'm calling out during the live stream. If you get interested, you can go and get the first 7 lessons to the course 100% free at owingstrading.com. And then for those of you who want to take it to the next level, there's the 25 lesson elite level trading course, the charts, the indicators, all that kind of stuff. Steve's doing that now. He's kicking ass. But for those of you who just want to hang out at the stream and you don't really want to go further with it yet, I totally get that. It's important that you understand what you're looking at, and Steve encouraged me to do this video, so I hope you get some use out of it. So most of you, I understand, are used to these typical candlestick charts, right? So this is an E-mini S&P 500 futures chart. This is the hourly. Let's just stick with this, right? So here's your hourly candlestick chart, right? I know a lot of you are, just dealing with different candlestick price action situations that you're trying to use to capitalize on your trading, right? And pick good trades. Well, what I'm doing, if you can imagine, I've got an hourly chart here. Of course, I've got my yearly chart, my quarterly chart, my daily, my monthly, my weekly. All those charts influence my decision making on the hourly. So we're not just isolating our decisions to the hourly chart. But what you're seeing here is each one of these black price bars is what you would think of as one little candle. It's an hour, right? Except I've got it in the price bar format. So you can see you've got the high of the hour, the low of the hour, and the close of each hour. So when you see 5 or 6 hourly bars like this, you're really just seeing a very zoomed in portion of the candlestick chart, right? And I'm able to use my price action setups to get much better reads than probably you're used to by simply sticking with the normal candlesticks. So when you see me in here using these bar charts, they're still just regular hourly, 15-minute, daily, weekly, whatever bar charts. They're just very zoomed in. You're getting a zoomed in bird's eye view of the price action. And then all of the different dots and lines and things like that you see, these are just different calculations, different formulas that make up Owings Market Analysis. And then I've put all of this into a trading system that's phenomenal. It works. It's logical, and it's based on everything that I learned from my mentor, who's a very famous trader and who has been trading for, I don't know, 60 years. He's very old now. He's in his 90s. But I learned all this from him. I took it, I made it my own, and I made it better for me. And it's a very logical approach to reading and trading price action. So don't be overwhelmed by the fact that it looks different. It looks different because it is different, and it's different because it works, and it works consistently. So I encourage you to stop by the stream, check it out. If you just give it some patience and try and follow along for a few days, I can promise you the rewards will be well worth it. And then if you want to take it to the next level and really start to dial down into the nitty gritty and what I'm talking about, go sign up for the 7 lessons for free. And then if you want to be like Steve and start passing challenges left and right and getting payouts from Apex, you can take the 25 lesson course, get all the indicators, all that stuff. It's reasonably priced. For now, I've already taken on several students, and I do personal mentorship with each person because I want each student to succeed. And so I will soon be raising the price. I got to keep the bar kind of high because at some point I'm going to shut it down completely once we have, I don't know, maybe 40 or 50 people in, all using Owings Market Analysis, because the goal is, as I've already been training Steve, he's becoming an asset to me as well. He's, we have our elite member section at owingstrading.com where, we alert each other to different setups we're seeing after hours. That's where I post my London pre-market video forecast, going over all the major futures markets here for the upcoming day ahead, what to look for, all that stuff. So my goal with this, believe me, it's not philanthropic. I'm not doing this to be a nice guy, although, I'm not a bad guy. I'm a nice guy, but I'm not doing it to be a nice guy. I'm doing it because as I educate, a nice core group of people on Owings Market Analysis and the, trading system and the edge that I've come to really enjoy, it's very consistent. As I educate a small group of people on my edge and teach them how to use it, we can all benefit each other, because you guys are going to find different ways to use it, and we're all going to share our information with each other inside Owings Trading at the elite members section. And this is where, at some point, I like to think of this as, a mini hedge fund of sorts, where, we're all going to be focusing on our key markets and alerting each other to the best setups. We'll all understand what we're talking about, because you guys will understand what Owings Market Analysis is, because the 25 lesson course is designed to make you, elite market analysts, and then ultimately for you guys to be able to trade consistently and successfully off of that analysis that you're generating from Owings Market Analysis. So I hope that makes sense. It's just a brief video on what these bar charts are. And you can see, all the dots and lines. They're just different series of math calculations, short-term trend lines, and how you use them in the different combinations that they present, and what the daily's doing, what the weekly's doing. I have different types of trading, so I pull out the playbook, whether we're in a congesting market, or we're in a range market, are we in a strong trend that I expect to continue? Do I expect trend reversal? All these different things. I pull out the playbook according to the methodology for that particular type of trading that I expect to unfold that particular day. And you can use Owings Market Analysis for swing trading if you want. You can use it for longer term investing. I like to use it for day trading. I do swing trade occasionally. Right now, there's a little bit too much geopolitical risk for my taste, with the wars heating up in the Middle East and everything else. So I'm happy just to day trade during the day and then be in cash overnight. But for those of you who are swing traders, this works great on swing trading. If you trade Forex, futures, stocks, it doesn't matter what you trade. It's a logical approach to price action. And if you study it and learn it and really understand it, you'll have a very good chance at being consistent with your trading. So that's why I'm also probably the only person out there in the trading industry that's selling a course with a 100% money back guarantee. Most people don't do that because their courses are, recycled bullshit. This course is real. That's why I offer the guarantee. And I only want people inside the community who are going to contribute and, work hard to become, expert analysts, so we can all share, everything with each other. So that's another reason why I offer the money back guarantee. If you try it and it's not for you, no problem. Take your money back and go find something that works. I want people who are going to be committed. So anyways, that's just a little bit of a summary here regarding Owings Market Analysis. I hope this helps. Again, go to owingstrading.com, sign up for the first 7 lessons, and you can get a bit more information on what this is, and just take it piece by piece. Stop by the live stream, check us out, and we're very consistent. We manage risk and we put up consistent returns. So that's really what it's all about. All right, take care, everybody. Thanks, and good luck the rest of the day wherever you're trading from. Bye bye.